When you receive a Dexter HDI, it will typically come in a Pelican case. Open the 7 latches around the perimeter of the case to open it. When it's open, take your base with clamp from the top layer and set it aside. After this, take the top layer of foam out to reveal your Dexter. Take your Dexter out and slide the 3 strakes coming out of the base end into the top of the base with the clamp on. Once it's fully seated, tighten the bolt and the clamp down with a Phillips head screwdriver. When your Dexter is attached to the base, align the external gear mount with the side of the base end of the robot that has the letter X on the side of it. Then adjust the robot so that it's standing upright. After you've done this, plug it in. You'll need to wait about a minute before Dexter starts finding its home position. This is a new feature with the Dexter HDI that gives us power cycle repeatability. After it finds its home position, you will need to wait about another minute before it can be used. The differential will bob in a rectangular pattern to signify that it's ready for use. There's an error code signified by the base moving back and forth and the end arm moving back about 10 degrees. This happens about 1 in every 50 boots at the moment, and we're working to fix it. A simple power cycle will fix the problem for the time being. Once your Dexter is ready to use, it will go right into a record and playback menu. Moving the differential to the left and right will cycle through the 14 recording slots on each side for a total of 28. They are numbered from -14 to 14, with the negative slots going counterclockwise from the 0 slot. The 0 slot is not a real slot and should not be used. It is currently there as a placeholder for future functionality. To record in a slot, select it and move the J4 2 ticks down. Wait until the differential moves before trying to record, or else you will experience anomalies in your recording. When done with recording, move the J2 around -30 degrees from its starting position and the recording will loop infinitely. To stop playback of a recording, give the end of the differential a light tap and it will go back to its home position in the record and playback menu. Not much force is needed here. To playback a recording from a slot, choose that slot and move 2 ticks upward to start the playback. There is currently a glitch with the 0 slot where if you try and playback what's there, it will start recording. We are looking into what's causing this and hope to have it solved soon. For those who would rather program using DDE, Unity, or some other software that can control a Dexter, there is a mode for that as well. Go to slot -7 and move 2 ticks up as if you were playing back. It will then go into keep mode and take any commands passed from your desired software.